so much air.
Just take a second here.
In the summertime, the cold air goes, in the wintertime, the cold air comes in. So how, I guess, cost-effective is it to winterize the home?
Oh, extremely. It's a really important issue, actually. We spend about 56% of our heating and cooling, our energy budget on heating and cooling, and about 40% of that, according to the Department of Energy, goes right out the door, like happened to you. So if we winterize properly,
Nyla, what are you doing?
$218 on the average. Again, that's for the Department of Energy's numbers. And you
Whether it's the